Ikwambi, the cheerleader of success, advancement, and leadership. One advancement key that I want to drop off with you today is one of the foundational strategies of advancement that I teach in the Advancement Strategies Academy. And that's key is this, that every authentic advancement is released on the platform of divine allotments. Every authentic advancement is released on the platform of divine allotments. What has been allotted to you? What talent has been allotted to you? What gifting has been allotted to you? What area of calling has been allotted to you? You see, that place of allotment is what guarantees your place of appointment. And when that place of appointment is celebrated enough, guess what? Your announcement kicks in. It is my prayer for you today that you will be announced. So it does not matter what you do as a business person, as a leader, as a politician, as a student, as a professional career person. You must always remember that your place of allotment is the starting point for your authentic advancement. God bless you. And thanks for joining me today on Advancement Strategies, your fresh inspiration for high performance and breakthrough. I'm Ikwambi, and I'll talk to you again.